much does Amibroker cost in India?
Nowadays, Amibroker software in India is so much popular with Indian users of Amibroker. This is software developed by Tomasz Janeczko from Poland. Thomas initially built it for personal use in the mid-90s, but today it became the most popular retail software for financial market analysis. He works with a small but highly efficient team for development and support for Amibroker. If you are an Indian and ask a question, where can I purchase Amibroker in India? Then Thomas is informed that all sales are via our international webpage www.amibroker.com. There is no India-only shop. You can purchase directly in our web shop here using a credit card or PayPal. Or you can use Fast Spring to pay by wire. No one in India is authorized to resell Amibroker. If you buy from anybody else, it is illegal, and you will risk your computer's security, and you will not receive any technical support and upgrades. Do not buy Amibroker from anyone in India. They are not legally allowed to offer Amibroker, and they are not allowed to use Amibroker as part of their signals package. This is all illegal. The price of Amibroker is standard for India or other countries, as the prices are $339 and $279 respectively. So the professional version of Amibroker for intraday trading costs approx Rs 23,000 and standard version for positional trading costs approx Rs 19,000. Amibroker India free download. The trial version of Amibroker software is free to download at the Amibroker website. The trial version is sufficient for even automated intraday trading. This is because there is no limitation on charting or AFL codes in the trial version. However, it may require extra effort to configure it with a data feed or broker's automated trading platform.